Bite-sized German lessons by 11%. Anfangen. Let's start from the very beginning. Let's do it. Let's get started. Are you ready to begin? No, I didn't get stuck in a loop. I just wanted to introduce you to the word anfangen, to begin. Anfangen. 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 Anfangen is a verb meaning to begin, start, or get started. The tricky thing with this one is that it's separable, meaning the prefix an will get detached in the present tense and thrown at the end of the sentence. Besides that, it's also irregular. Let's see what that looks like in a few examples. Wann fängt der Film an? When does the movie start? Es fängt an zu regnen. It's starting to rain. Von vorne anfangen. To start from scratch or from the beginning. Klein anfangen. To begin small. Wer fängt an? Who's going to start? Ich habe schon angefangen. I already started. Mit etwas anfangen. To start with something. Was soll ich damit anfangen? What am I supposed to do with that? Mit dir ist heute gar nichts anzufangen. You're no fun at all today. Jetzt fängt das Leben erst an. Life is only just beginning. Fang nicht wieder damit an. Don't start all that again. Don't bring all that up again. Bei einer Firma anfangen. To start with a company. To start working for a firm. Du hast angefangen. You started it. Used while fighting. And here is the whole conjugation of the verb for those of you interested. Ich fange an. See how it separates? Du fängst an. And see here the irregularity showing, the stem change from a into ä, the a mit two little dots. Er fängt an. And again, the irregularity. Wir fangen an. Ihr fangt an. Sie fangen an. For example, wir fangen am Morgen an. We begin in the morning. Hat angefangen, started. Like with all separable verbs, the ge will get squeezed between the two separable parts. Angefangen. Wir haben am Morgen angefangen. We started in the morning. Fing an, started. Wir fingen am Morgen an. We started in the morning. Werden anfangen. Wir werden am Morgen anfangen. We will start in the morning. Today we learned the separable and irregular verb anfangen, to start or to begin. And now it's time for a little exercise or Übung. Put the verb anfangen in the sentences. Don't forget to separate it and change the stem in the second and third person singular. Write your answers in the comments and get the chance to win a free beginner German course. Check out if you won the free course and also check out the answers to these exercises in the next lesson. Good luck! Hungry for more? Subscribe to the channel and set up a micro-learning habit. or visit the website for more German learning adventures. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!